hard now. Hard as you can. Ah, we're gonna get wet. Ready? Forward. And row. Forward. And you. Up. Up. Up, up, up. That's it. One. One.
Get on your seats.
Right, who's up?
These two. No, they won't
Go in the water? You go in the water?
He hasn't had a go at that.
Hasn't had a go here yet?
I've just shown him the fundamentals.
Right.
He
So,
hasn't.
come on, over that. To the top. Come on. To the top. Good. Forward. Good. We're going to get wet here, boys. Sorry. Right, you're going to have to come forward. 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 Easy there, easy there. Let it sit there. Sit there. Ready, and rope. And rope. That's it. Rope through this one. That's it. Up and over. Through it again. Good. There you go. Yes, now that's the long stroke. Yes, feel the boat run. Yes, righto, catching a wave. Ready? And up in the rain. Go. Up. Up in the rain. Up. Up. Righto. See what we can catch.
Yes, I like that.
Gotta go, guys. Big one coming. Easy, easy. Ready, rope. Forward. You. Stay there, stay forward. Shit. Relax your hands. Relax your hands. Good. Yeah, that's better, isn't it? Keep going. Got a good rip here. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. One more. Forward. Rope. Good work. Another one, big one coming. Good. One more. Forward. You. Hey, up. Up. Forward. Forward. Ready, and rope. Gonna get wet. Forward. And rope. That was a good one. Yeah. Foot chop. Up. Shot chop. 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Forward.